Hi there, it's Amelia with OTI, and today I'm going to show you how I make a delicious, fluffy, and easy cake. This is the Betty Crocker Delights Super Moist Party Rainbow Chip Cake Mix. I love making this cake when I'm invited to parties or events and I don't want to arrive empty-handed, or when I want a fun activity with my family or friends. This cake is very easy to make. I only need 3 ingredients: eggs, water, and vegetable oil. That's it. The process is really quick and easy, and it tastes delicious. It is fluffy and has sprinkles, which makes the cake look fun and colorful. I really love that. So if you want a quick and delicious cake, you want a fun activity with family, with friends, and you love to bake, I recommend the Betty Crocker Delights Super Moist Party Rainbow Chip Cake Mix because I really love it and it's delicious, and that's my point of view.